Heidi ho, my lovelies. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Well, today is another... It's snowing now. It's actually snowing. It's about -2. Very fine snow, though. Right, what are we doing today? Today, I want to do this Italian. It's quite pretty. Italian... What is it, 200 lira? Yeah, 200 lira. But before I do that, one of my subscribers called Beer, he lives in the States, would like to know what that coin I did yesterday would look like if I give it the patina look. So Beer, this is for you, mate. Let's dry it off. I've got some quad zero steel wool here, so just lightly go over it. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. I got quite a few yesterday. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button. Where is it? There. You hit that, it's there. Not there, and it's not there. Or in there. It could be in there, but it's not. It's right there. If you hit that little red button, you're automatically subscribed. And then if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So, this is an emery board, like a nail file. I don't know what you guys call it in the States. But you just want to take that black off the high points, like the lettering. So Beer, my friend, this is for you. So this will be in the post here tomorrow, Beer. That's 150 euros, okay? Joke. It's 200. I can't help it. If you can't have a bit of fun, then that's the trouble with people nowadays, you know. No one's having fun anymore. Everybody's so bloody serious, you know. See, I suppose a lot of people have got problems. I was in a shop today, yeah, supermarket, buying, you know, a few bits and pieces. There was this young girl in front of me. I mean, she looked like she'd never seen the sun. I mean, she was, all right, this is Finland, but it looked like she'd never seen the sun in her life. She was pure white, and she had a packet of ham, something else, and like a packet of mashed potatoes or something. She was in front of me, and it went through, and then she started saying to this, she didn't have enough money. I was looking at her. I mean, she had a few coins in her hand. So she says, well, take the potatoes back. And I thought, how bloody sad is that, you know? So I says, I'll get that. So she said, no, that's okay. I says, look, take your bloody potatoes. I'll pay for them, you know? And it's just crazy. It kills me. It breaks my heart to see how some of these people ain't got a penny. But anyway, that's enough of my yakking, I suppose. You're not interested in that, are you? But yeah, we just sort of pulled on the old heartstrings a bit. I done it a couple of times. An old pensioner a couple of years ago was in line, you know, didn't have enough money. You know, a few onions and a few potatoes, and jack shit really to cost. And how can you not pay for it, you know? She's lived her life. Gone through the wars and stuff, you know. She can't afford to buy some bloody onions. Well, I think that's disgusting. Anyway. My yak. There you go, Bear. It ain't brilliant, but it don't look too bad. So, Bear, that was for you, okay? Right. Let's carry on. This is my Italian 200 lira coin. So first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. Same old, same old. I'm looking forward to next month though. I'm going to start incorporating dichroic glass into my rings. Not rings, into my coins. You'll see. I think it's going to turn out quite good. I mean, it'd be sort of unisex. Guys can wear them, women can wear them. Right, let's go over. That's Big Bertha. She's looking a bit gorgeous today, isn't she? I think she looks forward to seeing me every day. Right. So sorry about this. Might be a bit longer video as usual. Thanks to Bear. But the thing on this channel, if I can do anything for you, you know, show you something, or I'll happily do so. Right. Okie dokie. I just want to clean up this inside edge where I punched it through. This is Christy Burr. Onions. It's a deburring tool. You just want to make sure that there's no caverns in there or cracks, big scratches. Otherwise that's going to cause your ring to split when you start stretching it and playing with it. So this just cleans it up. Yeah, I felt really sad for that poor girl. I'm a soft touch though, really. I mean, I'm not a mug, I'm not a sucker, but right, there you go. My cat got me a little while ago, I was playing with her. Right, there you go. Let's give it a bit of love with Bernie. This is called annealing. Yeah, I believe in karma as well. You know, what goes around comes around. So, I think everybody should try to, you know, help where you can. Right, we're going to go. This will be sunny side up. There's not a lot going on there. So this is going to go face down in the die. This is a 17-degree folding die. I go over to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Oh yeah, butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's break out Sandy. Yeah, if you're looking for any sort of custom rings, or I do, I make cufflinks out of coins now, bracelets, earrings, keychains, key fobs type thing. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. all the rings in there, excuse me more, all the rings in there I can adjust the size up or down for you. So let's grab a bit of kitchen roll and go over to the one and only Spike. This is Spike, my ring stretcher. And yep, he stretches your ring. Right. Is it going to split? I've had a couple of rings split on me lately, which is not very good. God, I've still got that bloody head cold. How's it looking? Maybe a touch more, get a bit more warmth because it's getting a bit work hardened. Yeah, I got quite a few subscribers yesterday. Thank you very much indeed. I got 8 so far on yesterday's coin. That's the most I've ever got in one day. So thank you. Right, let's give it a bit more on Spike, shall we? Just a little bit more, because it's quite small, this ring. Well, it's quite small at the moment. I think that'll do. Right. Now, it's a bit cone shaped. Well, it's not that bad really, but if I look at my eye, just a touch. You want to go down the bottom end of the Spike, and these are reducing dies. So you find one. There's not much on there. I'm going to sneeze in a minute. There's a little bit there. So you could also use these as well for reducing. The same angle, but a different size. You want to get them level. How's that looking? Pretty damn straight, yeah? Sexy or not? Have a look with the eye as well. Maybe a touch more. Make sure it's level, square. That's better. Right. Okie dokie. Now there's a very small lip in there. Not much, but there is a little bit. And if you don't cut that out, it can be uncomfortable to wear, and it also gives you a full size reading. Full size reading, full size. So that's the only bit that's going to grip your finger properly. So if you cut that out, the whole of the inside should fit your finger. Just lovely. That's good. There weren't much in there, but you know, if you're going to do it right. Right, where's Kate Bush? Oh God, Kate, come on! Look at the state of you. This is Quad Zero steel wool, or as near as damn it. It just gets the fire scale off. Cleans it up a bit. I might polish this one instead of the Edwin look. Well, I think Kate Bush has had it at the end of her life. But she can easily be resurrected. And I'll do some magic on her later on tonight. And she should turn around to be perfect tomorrow. Yeah, we'll polish this one up a bit. Some I polish, some I do the Edwin look. If you do buy one of my rings, you can say if you want it highly polished or the Edwin look. Yeah, it's got to be quiet, isn't it? Get a bit warm. Right, let's clean off the old mingers. And take a load of yellow microfiber towel. My girlfriend goes over these as well when I finish because my fingers are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what else. A slightly cleaner cloth. So that's why I prefer the Edwin look, because I think these are too shiny. There you go. 1923, 1993, 200 Lira. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside, you don't lose the detail. On this comparison, this is highly polished and this is the patina look. So there you go, Beer. That's what I've done for you this morning. And there you go. What size did we get in the end? This is a size, and you always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. Size 9 nails, damn it. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely, lovely day. Have a lovely evening. Have a lovely morning, wherever you are. And I'll catch you all tomorrow. So bye-bye.